In Design 680, we've added a new tool called Hide Layer by selecting an entity. It's the last tool under the Advanced toolbox. This tool allows you to quickly hide layers by picking an entity. Left-clicking to select the entity, and then right-clicking will hide the entire layer that the entity is on. This is especially helpful when you're working off an imported PDF or AutoCAD file, where the layers may not match up with the default design layers. Let's see this tool in action. I'll start by importing a vector PDF into my current drawing. If I go to my layer list, you'll notice that the PDF has created a bunch of non-standard layers in design. If there's geometry I'd like to hide, previously, I would control left-click on the entity to check the layer that it's on, then open the layer list, find it, and then turn it off. Now it's a quick and easy process. I simply select my Hide Layer tool, select the entity that I want to hide by left-clicking, and then right-click to hide that entire layer. Let's see that again. You can use this tool to quickly clean up contour lines and other geometry on your drawings to get down to just the information that you need to work on. I hope you find this tool helpful to speed up your workflows, and thank you for using Dynaescape Design.